Now I'd like to take a deeper look into 4 sections within the dashboard that you'll need to know about in order to manage your website on an ongoing basis. The first one I would like to take a look at is posts. As I mentioned in a previous lecture, this is where you will be creating blog posts if you will have a blog on your website. Clicking on all posts will take you to a list of all the posts that you will have created. At the top here, you will see where it says I have 1 blog post published, and whenever you install WordPress, you will have a sample blog post already. If you have blog posts that have not yet been published, you'll also see an option up here that says drafts, and you'll be able to see how many drafts that you have as well. If you'd like to create a new blog post, you have the option of clicking the Add New button here at the top, or by selecting Add New from the left-hand navigation bar. Clicking on Add New, you'll be able to enter the title of your new post, and below you'll be able to enter the text of your actual blog post. On the right hand side, you will be able to select if you would like to publish it immediately, or if you would like to set a date and time for the blog post to appear. That way, if you have other work going on, you'll be on vacation, whatever's going on, and you want your blog post to appear at a specific time, you can do that here. Then you can click on publish, and the post will be live on your website as long as you haven't set a future date. You'll notice if you scroll down that there are options for a category and options for tags. And this is how you can sort blog posts if you will be having multiple categories. So let's say you create many types of books and courses. You can have a book category, you can have a course category. Let's say you have business courses and you have health courses and other sorts of hobby courses. Then you can also create a category for each one of those. And that way, whenever you create a blog post about that particular topic, you can select that particular category and it will only appear in that category list. You can also select multiple categories at one time. So if you'd like to add a new category, you can do that by selecting the Add New Category link, or over on the left-hand navigation, you can select categories and add a new one from there. Tags, you can create tags that are going to be keywords that are found within your blog post. So if somebody is searching on your website, then the tags will help them find your blog post if it's relevant to their search. You can add new tags by just adding them into this box here, or also by going to the left-hand navigation bar and selecting tags. Depending on your theme, you'll also want to add a featured image by clicking on Set Featured Image, and this will be the main image that will appear next to the introduction text on your blog list page. The second thing I want to take a look at is your media options. This is again where you will be able to see all of the images and videos that have been uploaded to your site. And if you'd like to add a new one, you can simply click on the Add New button. And by clicking on Select Files, you will be able to browse your computer and select the files that you wish to upload. Very easy to use. That way, if you are on your post page or you are creating a new page, as we'll cover next, you will be able to simply click on the Add Media button, and you'll be able to click Media Library, and all of the images that you uploaded will appear here. But you also have the option of uploading your files right from the blog post or page. Now that we've looked at that, let's go ahead and jump ahead to pages. This is very similar to your posts. To edit a page, you can click on the title, and that will take you into the page where you can now add new media, you can add new text. You'll also be able to add a new page by clicking the Add New button here on the left, or by clicking on the Add New button here at the top. Just like with the blog post, you'll be able to click on Publish immediately, or you'll be able to select the date and time before you publish it. Once you have your pages set up, only then can you create a menu for your website. If you try to create the menu first, you won't have any pages to select from. So now that you have pages created, you'll want to go to Appearance and pull down to Menus. Now here you see the menu name. You can create a name for your new menu. I just like a main menu if it's the one across the top, but you can name it anything that you like and select Create Menu. Now in the left-hand column, you'll see the most recent pages that you've created. If you have a lot of them, you can click here to see View All. And I want to create a menu with my Home, About, Contact, Courses, and eBooks page. I can go ahead and click Add to Menu. So that is going to create my main menu for me. You'll see here it says Custom. I can enter my URL here. Again, we've already looked at how to set what is going to appear on your home page. You'll see here About is linked to the particular page. If you want to give users a particular link, let's say if you wanted to say books or courses and you don't want to give further information on your site, or if this is the drop-down menu that you've created, you can, for instance, if you want to link to your Amazon book, you can put in the URL to your Amazon book, click Add to Menu, and is automatically going to link that to your menu. Now, when somebody clicks on this, it is going to take them directly to the URL that you entered. If you want this to appear as a submenu, you can simply slide it over to the right. Now you can see that the My Books menu is actually going to appear as a drop-down menu under eBooks. If you want it to appear under a different page, you can simply drag and drop it underneath that menu. Categories, the same thing. If you want somebody to be able to click on your blog and go to a particular category, you'll be able to add those categories directly to the menu here. Once you're done, you can click on Save Menu, and you can go back to your live site and see that your menu will now appear. So those are the 4 main areas of the dashboard that you need to know to be able to manage your site on a regular basis. In the upcoming lectures, we're going to get into the exciting parts of being able to customize the look and feel and functionality of your website.